The Nokia T20 tablet is one of the best all-rounder tablets that is currently available in the market right now. This might be overshadowed later on by the smaller Nokia T10 sibling. This tablet still offers the best price to performance ratio. Let's take this tablet for a spin. The Nokia T20 tablet was released in October 2021 last year. Even though this tablet is almost 1 year old, most light games on this device run smoothly. Don't expect this tablet to run heavy games such as Genshin Impact to run above 30 FPS. At only 7.8mm thin, this tablet is very comfortable to hold. I am using the LTE version of this tablet. The LTE version also comes with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Powered by Unisoc 610 processor, navigating through the user interface is quite good and smooth. For its price, the screen is good because it has a 2K resolution. The rear camera takes average photos, but of course I'm not taking photos using this tablet or any other tablet. Everything sounds good so far on this tablet until we talk about its speakers. It's not good and it's not that loud. Overall, I am very impressed with this tablet, which I purchased around $210. Now let's take this tablet for a spin. I will be playing Pokemon Go outside, and probably I will look like a psychopath playing a Pokemon Go on a tablet. About using a tablet outside is that you can use it as an umbrella. It's really funny looking, but yeah, I can use it to shade my face. A lot of Pokestops in here in my town has already been changed. Like for the example, this has been converted into a museum, but in here it's still the city hall in my town. I will attempt to attack this gym because there's only one Pokemon that has been stored, so I think it's just easy to attack this one. Oh, there's an egg. I already have a lot of this one. Let me just attack this gym quickly. I'm just choosing slapping. This is actually a portal in that other game, but here in Pokemon Go it's not really, because there's a lot of hotspots, or I mean Pokestops already in here in this place. So this did not make it, but again, this was in that Ingress game. Let me just catch more Pokemon in this area, because I think there's a lot in here and I really want to catch them all, because that's the name of the game, catch them all. All gone. I'm here at our town stage, and of course there's a lot of Pokestops in here, and I'm here to catch more Pokemon. Someone is actually using a lure in here, which makes me happier because that means a lot more Pokemon for me. That's all. All gone. They're still repairing this section because this was destroyed by the storm last December 2021. Hopefully they can finish this as quickly as possible. Let me just catch this batch of Pokemon, and I think I'm heading home because it's already getting dark. And the internet is also very slow. My storage is already full, so I have to send some Pokemon away. The internet is very slow right now, so I'm just like really heading home. I'm actually using the mobile data of the tablet itself because this Nokia tablet is a 4G version. Because today is a Sunday, it really gets crowded in here. That's why more reasons to come home. And also I need to transfer this Pokemon because my storage is already full and I needed a stable internet connection to do that.